Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to save seeds from viola and pansy flowers. Pansy and viola seeds can be expensive depending on where you ordered them from and what variety you're growing, so this is a great way to save some money and get some free seeds for the next time that you want to grow them. Just keep in mind that if you're growing a hybrid, the seeds that you save are probably not going to look exactly like the parent plants. And also keep in mind that if you're growing several varieties, there's probably going to be some cross-pollination. And again, the flowers will not look exactly like the parent plants. You might actually get a really cool variety, a new variety that you created. I'm going to be saving my seeds from these Johnny Jump Up violas. I planted these in the fall. They grew all through the winter. They're still growing, but they are making seeds now. So let me show you guys what to look for. After it's pollinated and the flower petals die off, this is what you're going to wind up with. Basically this little green ball that is full of seeds. The seeds are not mature, so you do not want to open this little green pod. After the seeds are mature, this will open up and this is what it looks like. If you look really closely in the center, you can see all of these little golden colored seeds. And these seeds are mature. Now I'm just going to move down this row of flowers and collect all the open seed pods that still have seeds in them. There are a lot more empty seed pods here than there are seed pods that are full. Once the pods have been open for a couple days, they'll start shrinking back and then they just kind of spray the seeds out everywhere. So if you don't have a whole lot of violas or pansies to collect seeds from, you'll probably want to keep a really close eye on these so that you can check them every day. Once you get all your little seed pods plucked off, all you have to do is scrape them out of the pod with your fingernail. Just bear with me as I don't have the best fine motor skills in the world, but they're really not too hard to get out of here. I'm just dropping these little seeds into a cup, then I'm going to take them inside and let them dry out for a couple of weeks before I put them away. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I would love to get to 2,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.